Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to keep your icon centered on the screen. So it's going to keep your live position centered on the screen, and it will even allow you to follow that position around. So what I'm going to do is, you can see here I've hooked up to a simulator on the map screen, but I can't actually see my icon in my current zoom level. So what I'm going to do to snap to my live position is hit the blue globe with the 4 arrows in the top right corner. What that's going to do is it's going to snap me to my position, as you can see here. And you can see that I'm starting to move around in the zoom level. It's not staying centered. So if I want to keep my little blue triangle centered here, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to double click on that globe. And you're going to see that it becomes highlighted with this green-yellow color. And now as I move around the screen, you can actually see that the map is moving with me. It's always going to keep that live position centered on the screen. So this is a great way to keep yourself from getting lost on the map screen and always be able to re-find your arrow without having to reset your zoom view. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you keep yourself centered on the map screen and follow yourself on the map screen. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.